English to Khasi Translation. Conversation between two friends after B results. English. Hi Cooper, how are you? Khasi. Kumno Cooper, kumno philong. English. Hi Lisa, I am good. What about you? Khasi. Kumno Lisa, naklan. Phipat kumno. English. Yeah, I am also good. How was your result? I got 94%. Khasi. Hoi, nga runga klang, kumno ka result jong pi. Nga te ngayo, kandai po sao nakashispa. English. Mine was also good. I got 99%. Khasi. Result jong nga ru kabha ngayo kandai po kandai nakashispa. English. Wow, then definitely you are going to join an engineering college. Khasi. Wow, tela tikna bet pin yo bandrum haka engineering college. English. Yes, I think so. What about you? Khasi. Hood, naperkat kum tahi, kum no pipan. English. I don't think I will get admission in engineering college due to my low marks. Khasi. Ngam taray ngan yo rung haka engineering college namar nga duna ki marks. English. Don't worry, last year I heard the third list was at 90%. Khasi. What kuslay? Mensyamsnem may osngo ka list balay ka day kanday po nakashispa. English. Okay, good. Let's hope I can also join an engineering college like you. Khasi. Oh, kabyang. Kermen ngaru ngan yo room lang haka engineering college kumapi. English. Yes, definitely you will get. Khasi. Hoy, tikna pi in your day. English. So what will be your subject of specialization? Khasi. Nangta pimud ban pentibit haka subject ayu. English. I will specialize in mechanical engineering. Khasi. Ngan pentibit haka mechanical engineering. English. Why you want to go for mechanical engineering? Khasi. Balay pikwa banlej yaka mechanical engineering. English. Because in this and in the coming generation all tools will be working by machine. For example, that's why we need to know about mechanical engineering. Khasi. Namar pitib hiem hakani bad haka pateng banwan tiar gitar baro hapendan kambed da kor keyboard machine na kata daw ni don kam bantip chapang ka mechanical engineering. English. That's true. And you? Khasi. Kata ka ba shisha? Diba? English. I will choose automobile engineering. Khasi. Nanjir yaka automobile engineering. English. Why you want to go for automobile engineering? Khasi. Balay pikwa banday yaka automobile engineering. English. You see, nearly everyone knows to drive vehicle, but only a few knows how to repair or make the vehicle. That's why I choose automobile engineering. Khasi. Peshane. Janbaro nani ni nang banya kali. Henry tang kandiat apat kibanang banshna bad moromot kali. Nakataka daw ngajir ban like pule automobile engineering.